So we're gonna go into Zippy's. Zippy's. See what Zippy's maintenance. Right? That's what the Filipinos do. Close for maintenance. This is the chicken and chili with the macaroni salad and the rice. And Julia's got the tacos with the nice chips, and I think that chili is a specialty of the house. So this is Zippy's. 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 Zippy.
So the Zippy's fried chicken is pretty good. Yeah, it's tasty.
This is good too.
You like that, huh? Is that good?
The taco seasoning is good.
Zippy's, and we finished it all here at Zippy's. It was good. Good fried chicken. I had the chicken combo plate. Chicken and chili plate, which was good. Very good. Recommend it on YouTube.
So the chicken and taco, it all came out to $42.28. Zippy's Nimitz will be closed for maintenance at 9:30. Final orders will be taken at 9:30. That's a Filipino style. So what'd you have to say about Zippy's?
It was okay.
It was pretty good, right? Not bad. It was good. Zippy's, they have a bakery too. So they have takeout bakery and whatever.